Hello, this is my oral presentation English Liberals. Number 1. Introduce myself. Number 2. Tell about my strike experience in San Luis de Gacen. Number 3. The weather in San Luis de Gacen. Number 4. Recommendations if you go to San Luis de Gacen. My name is William Steven Buitrago. I live in Guateque, Boyacá. I am currently studying an environmental engineer in the UNAM. I live with my parents and brothers. I like to play football and basketball. And my trial experience in San Luis de Gacen. Stay 1. The experience in the vacations. Last Christmas Day we have planned to the half vacation in the month of December. I went to visit my uncle's wildlife in the city work of the San Miguel belonging to the town of the San Luis de Gaceno. Dias Aguas. I stayed there for 3 weeks and went with my brothers and a cousin I like and because it's the cheap. I just paid evaluate 19,000 pesos the passage to the prom and the billion and the approximate evaluate 15,000 pesos for person. I like it because they were allowed of the place to visit. For example, I went on the farms without the landing mountain or meal and the printed cake from which in the process the change for sale in the region and the island is allowed. Came book on the presentation of the 3rd week on the month of January and becomes start working next Monday. Stay true. The weather in San Luis de Gaceno. El climate in San Luis de Gaceno is very warm and easy local and the transit to plane. And recommendations. It is advisable to visit the parent San Luis Beltran. It is accident made with the pipe and the animals and armadillo. It's a priority and the county majority in cars are several. It is a result to use suncrease deposit the skin. It is necessary to bring comfortable clothes. And the council is important to bring good hydration. It is arbitrary to visit the Toro, Quebrada and the Tonto Way. It is necessary and important elude repellent. Psych 3. What you should do? If you plan to go to the San Luis de Gaceno, the first things in the south on the older period on transport and hotels break personal protection tool on the air accident. What you should do? You should do travel be careful on the street signs. There is a suspended brake for which in the elevator the word under the note go out and the note camera on the 3 notes to the guardrail in the street. Thanks for your attention.